Hey, babes, come here, man. Come here. I have to talk
What
to
you
you.
want with me?
Come on, I need to talk to you.
Oh,
I have to
boy.
talk to you.
What?
Yeah. Hey, we just do a porridge, but a long time now,
Long
Yeah,
time
just get
one.
pure porridge morning time.
Well, anybody see me
Oh my
trial?
God. Let me see, let me think about it. What's today? Martin Luther King Day?
Yes.
All the holidays. Thanksgiving, Christmas, Boxing Day,
Where are we going with
New
this?
Year's Day. I'm gonna get no ackee and saltfish.
You know, that's not.
fried dumpling.
That's what you call. That's not really
Oh man,
true.
that's about it.
No, hello,
Porridge.
listen up.
Yeah, people.
Allow me to talk. Let me defend myself. Ladies and gentlemen, I promised him nice breakfast.
Yeah.
But
Since
I
when?
have
Since when?
also done it
Thanksgiving
for,
Day?
let me talk. I've also done it for dinner. So he hasn't actually gotten it for breakfast because in the mornings I can't get to do
It's
all
a
of
different
that.
thing on our breakfast,
Well, guess what?
I mean, like,
I promise you, what's the
big
next holiday?
I can't even think.
Where
I can't wait that long one.
Easter.
Oh God, no! That's 3 months away.
He'll get it for you see how him just called me in here
serious
now
thing, man.
and I have to be defending myself.
No,
But anyway, the porridge is working like a charm.
Yeah. Chew.
Tell them tell them how me put a lot of stuff,
Yeah, man.
healthy stuff in the porridge.
This morning was cornmeal and oatmeal and plantain.
No, you
Flaxseed. What else?
and whey protein.
Oh man.
You see them. So on not pay him no mind, yeah. But certainly when I drop the Ackee saltfish fried dumpling, you also and roast.
Callaloo. Long time I get some callaloo. What's up with that?
We did do callaloo a few months ago.
Oh yeah, you don't want to cut it up, right?
I don't mind. No, we got some really healthy stalks of callaloo and I patiently sat down and cut them up and we were able to bag them up. Go on about your business.
Oh, no. You can try the one that can, it's pretty good too.
There's an art in cooking that one. If not, it will taste briny.
Alright, so let's make a deal. When am I getting some Ackee and saltfish in the place?
That would be March.
March? Jesus.
That's
like 6 weeks away.
May we rig up something for you, no worry.
Alright.
Good to see everybody.
Anybody have some Ackee and saltfish,
Happy Martin Luther King Day.
Hey, yeah, that's right. That's what today is.
Yes,
Happy Martin Luther King Day, everybody.
Blessings, everyone. We're
Celebrate.
out.